Hello viewers, this is the second part of PhD entrance exam of RGU. Let's start from the question number 51. Which of the following is a parametric test? As we know that parametric test is used to test hypothesis. So in parametric test, what are the tests are used? Here the option number A is the correct answer, that is t-test. In parametric test, t-test, f-test, z-test are used. So option number A is the correct answer. Next 52. Which of the following is also known as straight line programming? What is straight line programming? Straight line programming, here information is broken into small steps. So the answer will be option number A, linear programming. Linear programming is also known as extrinsic. It is given by B.F. Skinner. Next, 53. Suppose in the recent global pandemic COVID-19 phenomenon, the total number of corona positive cases found to be 50 in a hotspot area with an initial investigation. Later on, it was reported more number of sample in such case and the sampling size went on increasing over investigation. The sampling comes under the purview of, which will be the correct answer here. Here it discusses about the pandemic situation, COVID-19 phenomenon, and here the corona positive was found to be 50. Here the study is what kind of sampling it is. Option number C is the correct answer, that is snowball sampling. Next, number 54. Reliability is the complement of error variance. This statement indicates that here we know that reliability means consistency of a test, but the question has been asked like reliability is the complement of error variance. In option number A, it has been given that reliability is the consistency of a test of scores. That is correct answer. But we have to see the statement what exactly it said, that reliability is the complement of error. So here correct answer will be option number B, that is less the error in measurement, higher is its reliability and vice versa. So option number B will be the correct answer. Next 55. If a candidate qualifies assistant professorship in a central university and at the same time got selected in the Indian Public Service Commission examination, that time he or she puzzles what a kind of conflict. Which of the following theories is applicable in this case? So here the candidate is confused to select in which field he or she will go. So this theory is applicable in which case? In option number D is the correct answer, that is Carl Lewin's field theory, because he or she has to choose his field. That's why the option number D is the correct answer. Now question number 56. Who advocated the grassroots model of curriculum development? Who advocated the grassroots model? The answer will be option number B, that is Hilda Taba. Next 57. In an ethnographical study, which of the following techniques is most appropriate? Which of the following techniques in ethnographical study? That is option number C is the correct answer, observation. Next 58. The type of learning explained by Albert Bandura is also known as, what type of learning explained by Albert Bandura? That is observational learning and also imitation. By imitation, a child can learn and through observation. So correct answer is option number B. Next, the measure of stability and reliability coefficient is determined by, that is answer is option number D, that is test retest method. Next 60. Animals are trained but teachers are educated. Was the observation made by? This observation was made by option number B, W.H. Kilpatrick. Next 61. Educational research aims at. What is educational research and what it aims at? So here answer is option number B, searching for the new facts and principles underlying the process of education. So B is the correct answer. 62. External criticism in historical research. What is external criticism? It is the verification of genuineness or validity of the sources. So correct answer will be option number B, the authenticity of data collected. 63. The structure of intellect SI theory of J.P. Guilford's current model represent option number B, 180 components of intelligence. 64. Learning is A or N. What is learning? Learning is option number D is the correct answer. Relatively permanent change in behavior. Next, 65. Which of the following types of counseling is also known as counseling-centered counseling? Which is known as counseling-centered counseling? That is option number B is non-directive counseling. In non-directive counseling, here counseling is given more importance. Next, 66. One-tail test of significance means. What is one-tail test? That is option number C is the correct answer, testing the directional hypothesis. 67. The name of Stephen M. Covey is associated with. Stephen M. Covey is associated with. Option number B is the correct answer, that is action research. 68. RTE Act 2009 fall under the article of. Option number B is the correct answer, 45A. Next question, 69. Given M equal 50 and ST equal 10 and X equal 60, the Z score will be. What will be the Z score? Let's see. Here Z score formula is X minus M divided by SD. X minus, what is the value of X? X is 60 minus M is 50 divided by, what is ST? ST is 10. So 60 minus 50 is equal to 10 divided by 10. So here answer will be, correct answer will be option number B is the correct answer, that is 1. Okay, now next, move to the next question, 70. A student who has not prepared well for the RGU-PET examination complains that the questions were very difficult and the evaluation is very strict. What does it mean? Which will be the correct answer? Option number A is lying. Lying, you know that what is the meaning of lying. Then next is rationalizing. What is rationalizing? That means attempt to explain or justify. And next C option is projecting. Projecting means unconscious self-defense mechanism. And regression means escaping from something. So here student is trying to explain that complaints that the question were very difficult. So here answer will be option number C, projecting, which means unconscious self-defense, means defending herself or himself. Next, 71. Which of the following is the first step in the research process? What is the first step? First step is the identification. That means option number C is the correct answer, identification of a broad area of research. Next, 72. Which is not correct about non-parametric test of signification? Which is not correct? Option number A, they are distribution-free tests. That is correct about non-parametric tests. B also correct, they are small sample tests. C also correct, that they compare population distribution rather than parameters. Here option number D is not correct. Here what it said, that they make strong assumptions of homogeneity of variance of the groups to be compared. So option number D is the correct answer. Next, 73. Which of the following is not a category in Gagne's learning hierarchy? As we know, the Gagne's learning hierarchy consists of 8 steps. So option number C is not correct about the learning hierarchy, that is symbolic association. Option number C will be the correct answer. Next, 74. The present chairperson of NCTE is. Who is the present chairperson of NCTE? Option number A is the correct answer, Sri Santosh Kumar Sarangi. But Now, the present chairperson of NCTE is Professor Dinesh Prasad Saklani. You can check out in Google. Next, 75 question. Where did Gandhiji practice basic educations? First, basic education participate at option number B is the correct answer at Leo Tolstoy farm. Next, 76. The RPD Act 2016 stands for what is the acronym of RPD? Right Person with Disability Act. Answer is option number C. The Right Person with Disability Act 2016 is the correct answer. 77. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Which is not correctly matched? Here option number B is the correct answer. Bandura, that is given theory of psychosexual development. Here what Bandura has given social learning theory. So option B is the correct answer. Number 78. Child's mind is like blank slate, tabula rasa. This statement was given by option number A is the correct answer, John Locke. Next, 79. Degree of freedom in chi-square analysis is. What is the degree of freedom in chi-square? That is option number B is the correct answer. Degree of freedom, that is DF equal C minus 1 into R minus 1. Option number B is the correct answer. Next, 80. Establishment of diet was the result of one of the recommendation. Diet was established on the recommendation of National Policy of Education 1986. That is option number C is the correct answer. 81. Operant condition is usually studied in laboratory by using a. That is option number C, Skinner box is the correct answer. Next, 82. Cultural diffusion means. What is cultural diffusion? Cultural diffusion means historical important source of change. That is correct. And exogenous source of change. That one also correct. Borrowing of the society's culture by another one. This one also correct. That here 82 question answer will be option number D. That is all of the above. Next, 83. Which of the following is not a common element of a research proposal and research report? Which is not a common element of research proposal? That is option number B is the correct answer. Implication for further research. That is not done in the research proposal or in the research report. Next, 84. Find the odd one from the following. Which one is a or which one is odd? Here, all are given the correct answer. Hull stripe reduction theory, Tolman's sign learning theory, Thorndike theory of connectionism, Pavlov classical conditioning theory. But here, correct answer is option number B. Why? Because Tolman is a learning theory, but option number A, C, D, all these three are behaviorist theory. So here the odd one is option number B is the correct answer. That is Tolman's sign learning theory. Next, 85. Survey research aims at. What is the correct answer here? Survey research aims at. Answer is option number D. That is all of the above. Describing the current status of a phenomenon, a group or an institution, comparing the current status of this with some available standards, and make suggestion for improving the status. These all options are given correct, which aims at survey research, and here answer is option number D. Next, 86. Who said that the school is the miniature society? School is the miniature society. It is said by option number B is the correct answer, John Dewey. Next, 87. In the teaching learning process, teacher is. What is teacher? What variable? Here option number B is the correct answer. That is independent variable. Teacher is a independent variable. Next, 88. In achievement test, validity mainly focuses on option number A is the correct answer, content validity. Next, 89. P50 is identical to. P50 is identical to option number C is the correct answer, median. Next, 90. Which of the following is a nature of educational philosophy? Nature of educational philosophy, that is answer option number D is the correct answer, all of the above. The nature of educational philosophy is speculative, descriptive, prescriptive. So, option number D is the correct answer. Next, number 91, Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalay, that is KGBV, is meant for girls belonging to. It belongs to option number A is the correct answer. That is SC, ST, OBC, minority communities, and BPL. That means below poverty line. Families in educationally backward blocks below the national average. So, option number A is the correct answer. Question number 92. The present National Curriculum Framework NCF 2005 is based on philosophic ideas which opens with the quotation from. Here, correct answer is option number A. That is R.N. Tagore's essay, Civilization and Progress. Next, 93. The scale on which the distance between scale position are equal is known as, that is option number D, interval scale. Next, number 94. Sustainable Development Goal SDGs have a specific target to be achieved by, that is option number B is the correct answer, 2030. Question number 95. The concept of intelligent quotient, that is who has given the intelligent quotient, that is William Steinberg. B is the correct answer. 96. The scientific method of educational research goes with, it is answer option number D. Educational research, scientific method of educational research goes with objectivity, verifiability, generality. Option number D is the correct answer. Next, 97. A true experiment in research does not essentially involve. In true experiment, pre-test is not involved. So, option number D is the correct answer, control of pre-test effects. Number 98. Which of the following statement is incorrect about qualitative research? Here, option number C is the correct answer. Qualitative research requires outsourcing agencies for data collection. Next, 99. The quality of questions in a test is ascertained by using the method of. Which one will be correct answer? Here, option number C is the correct answer, item analysis. And the last question, 100. When the questions are presented to respondent in a face-to-face situation and the interviewer fills out the query rather than the subjects, it is known as, option number B is the correct answer, A, CIDL. In CIDL, face-to-face situation and face-to-face situation is presented. So, these are the questions of previous year Rajiv Gandhi University entrance exam. So here I conclude. See you in the next video. Thank you.